Hi, it's Laura here from the Charleston Holistic Center with our second week of our spring cleaning challenge. This week, we're going to focus on our mind. We've got a lot to clean up. Like, seriously. What are all those thoughts in there that are messing with you on a daily basis? What crap are we playing in our head from when we were 6 or 12 or 21 or 32, whatever? What crap are we playing in our head that wasn't probably true when somebody said it to us and sure as heck isn't true now? What messages do we tell ourselves daily, maybe hourly, that are really messed up? So this week, when you find yourself saying in your head or out loud for that sake, something that is not an uplifting statement, I don't care what it is. If it isn't uplifting you, I want you to pause. And if you can't do it right then do it later. See if you can figure out the percentage of truth of that statement. If the percentage of truth of that statement is less than 90%, maybe it's time to toss it. Sometimes I've actually found it super effective to literally write the thing down and shred it. Or burn that sucker. I prefer the shredding. And imagine shredding it in my mind also. And the next time it comes back up, imagine shredding it again. See how many you can catch this week. And see what different aspects of your life they keep damaging you, holding you back, keeping you stuck in a. Just do it. What's it going to hurt to actually figure out that a bunch of the stuff you say to yourself isn't true? Could help a lot. Think of the energy shift by the end of the week if you clear some of these things out. Stop saying them to yourself. Stop bashing yourself over the head with things that don't meet a 90% truth. Just saying, you can't do this. Let's spring clean our heads. Thank you and namaste. Oh, it didn't end. Bonus weird me.